Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying your online classes. Today we discuss about unit number 2 and task number 1 is format a paragraph. First of all we discuss about do you remember? How can you create, save and open a document? To create a new document on the file tab in the new group, click blank document and then click create. To save a document, how we can save a document? On the file tab which you want to save, click save as, find and select the location where you want your documents save. Give your document a name and save. When you make a drawing of some image, then you save it your drive or on desktop. Similarly, we can save our documents in our drive or our desktop or any other location of in our computer. Next, to open a document, how we can open a document? On the file tab, click open, find the location where you have saved your document, click it and then click open. What can you do with the options in the font group? Font group, we can change the fonts, change the size of the fonts, make the font bold, make the fonts italic, underline a word or text, change the color of the font, highlight a word or text. It is very easy to understand. How can you make a list? In Microsoft Word, how we can make a list? Select the text that you want to turn into a list. On the Home tab, in the paragraph group, click the bullets button to make a list with bullets. Click on the numbering buttons to make a list with numbers. How to format a paragraph? In Microsoft Word, most of the formatting paragraph options are in the Home tab, in the paragraph group. Align text. You can use different alignments in order to make the text look better. Alignment is a way. It is sometimes necessary to use different alignments in order to make the text look better. You can align a paragraph text to the left or right. You can center or justify it. Select the paragraph text you want to format and click on the align button in the paragraph group or press Ctrl and L for left, E is used for center and R is used for right and J is used for justify as shown in the picture. Paragraph indentation. Paragraph indentation determines the distance of the paragraph from either the left or the right margin. Line and paragraph spacing. Line spacing is the distance between the lines of a text. Sometimes you may want to have more or less space between the lines. It is up to you how we can decide the distance in our lines or in our paragraph. Paragraph spacing is the distance between the paragraphs of our text. Borders and shading. Borders and shading make text look better, make them easier to read and can give emphasis to certain parts. You can add borders to a single word, phrase, paragraph or even a whole text. You can add border and shading also in your text in your documents. Now it's time to your homework. Complete hand-on activity number page number 34. Have a good day.